Shocking! How much will 10 million Shiba Inu coin be worth by 2025? Shiba Inu has been making waves in the cryptocurrency space recently, and it's the latest so-called meme coin to establish a firm following. As the cryptocurrency market continues to evolve, with the emergence of the NFT trend and the growing dominance of DeFi, perhaps one of the more unexpected developments is the unlikely success of meme coins, particularly Shiba Inu and, of course, its predecessor Dogecoin. These tokens may have started as something of a joke, intended to satirize the hysteria surrounding cryptocurrency investment, but their strong performance in 2021, particularly Doge's Reddit-fueled frenzy back in January-February, has established these tokens as genuinely viable projects. But whereas Dogecoin is something of a one-trick pony, the Shiba project is expanding to include its own decentralized exchange and additional tokens as part of a complete blockchain ecosystem. So what sort of trajectory is Shib likely to be on over the next few years? In the following Shiba price prediction for 2025 and 2030, we'll take a look at the token's potential as a mid to long-term investment and hear what other analysts are predicting for its future. Welcome to Shiba Inu Coin, your daily dose of Shiba. If you're interested in everything around Shiba, this is the place for you. Subscribe if you want to stay updated with all the Shib news, predictions, and stay one step ahead in the crypto world. Make sure to hit the like button for us to provide you with more Shib news. Don't forget to enable all notifications to join our weekly cash giveaway pinned in the comments. Before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of Shiba is doing on the 26th of April, shall we? Shiba Inu has fallen below a level of support and is still on the decline, although the tiny increase in buying volume could be significant. This is because, despite the bearish market structure, this purchasing volume has stepped in at a legitimate retracement zone. Now the question is whether a further decline or a bounce is more likely. Bitcoin was also expected to play a role in the coming days. Shib saw a big shift earlier this month, with swing lows and highs of 22 millionths of a dollar and 3 100,000ths of a dollar respectively. A set of Fibonacci levels in yellow was plotted based on this surge. A short-term range in white from 252 10 millionths of a dollar to 275 10 millionths of a dollar was also seen. Shib had fallen below the range lows and was headed towards the 78.6% retracement level at 236 10 millionths of a dollar at the time of writing. There was also a level of support at 239 10 millionths of a dollar, from which Shib just bounced. The trading volume has been low during the last week. This indicated that market participants were not convinced by the decline of the previous several days. There was an indication that Shib was in retracement mode based on the retracement levels plotted. The market action and momentum in the short term showed that the bearish trend would continue. At the same time, the minor increase in the OBV, as well as the Fibonacci levels, indicating that bulls still have some strength in the market as long as support at 236 10 millionths of a dollar remains. Now let's get back to the topic. Shib was the first token in what was to become a three-coin ecosystem, as outlined in the project's white paper. It was intended to emulate Dogecoin in appealing to a particular demographic and establish a strong community around it. After Shib, the Shiba project launched Leash, the Doge Killer token, which was originally a rebase coin, pegged to Doge, which was intended to be used to incentivize those providing liquidity on Shiba's proprietary DEX, Shibaswap. Shibaswap is a quirky, if unremarkable, exchange that allows users to dig, provide liquidity, bury, stake, and swap tokens to gain wolf returns, which are effectively an income reward system. The full workings of the DEX require a little investigation, which is beyond the scope of this video, but it certainly is an interesting project. More recently, Bone was launched as the Shiba governance token. Shiba Inu is a relatively new token, having been created in August 2020. So it doesn't have much price history to look back on. One of the things that's worth noting about the token is it's intentionally low-priced and available in abundance to ensure it remains a viable payment method as opposed to simply a long-term investment. And when we say low, we mean low. The token started life trading as low as 939 hundred billionths of a dollar and hasn't made it as high as a whole unit of the US currency at any point in its existence. However, when dealing with such small numbers, it's easy to miss just how well Shib has performed at certain times. For example, when the token reached a high of 379 10 millionths of a dollar in May 2021, this actually represented an increase of 140,000 times on its price just 8 months earlier. Then, 5 months later, Shiba Inu reached its all-time high of 88 millionths of a dollar, and it's the increase that matters to investors after all. The importance of Reddit. In early 2021, investors were made aware of just how powerful discussion forums like Reddit can be when it comes to driving up the price of an asset. First, there was the infamous GameStop saga, which saw a community of investors assemble in the infamous r/Wall Street Bets subreddit and kicked off a buying frenzy that made headlines across the world. When it comes to cryptocurrency, the very same subreddit was the birthplace of a campaign to drive the price of Dogecoin up by some 800% in just 24 hours, ignited by a timely comment from Tesla mogul Elon Musk. Given that Shiba is pegging its hopes on building a Doge-esque community, those considering investing in the token might want to keep an eye on Reddit. At the time of writing, the official r/Shib Army subreddit has 275,000 members. There's also r/Shiba Inu Coin with 84.6 thousand members and r/Shib with 42.8 thousand. Reddit isn't just a place to monitor the size of the Shib community either. It's also a great place to find out about any unofficial cryptocurrency market news, as well as information on upcoming developments for Shiba Inu. What's next? Shiba price predictions for 2025. The cryptocurrency industry and investors may still be a little uncertain as to the future of meme coins at this stage, but it certainly appears as though Shiba is taking steps to establish itself as a credible project. So what do analysts make of its chances? Digital coin price is expecting steady growth for Shiba price over the next few years. It's expected to reach a price of 107 millionths of a dollar by the end of 2022. Growth is then expected to remain steady across 2023 and 2024, before Shiba gets to a high of 1,800 thousandths of a dollar by the end of 2025. Elsewhere, Trading Beasts, often more reserved in its forecasts, is predicting that Shib price will fluctuate between 88 millionths of a dollar and 13/100 thousandths of a dollar in the next 3 years. Finally, Wallet Investor also sees Shib making some solid gains in the next few years. According to its technical analysis, the Shiba token will hit 98 millionths of a dollar by the end of 2022. By the end of 2024, Shib is expected to average around 143 millionths of a dollar and 166 millionths of a dollar in 2025. How much will Shiba be worth in 5 years? Based on Shiba projections from Digital Coin Price, the Shib coin price is expected to cross the 2/10,000ths of a dollar mark in 2027. According to the Shiba price prediction offered by Wallet Investor, Shiba is set to rise to 185 millionths of a dollar by the end of 2027. Despite Shib having only traded for around a year, there are some long-term price predictions for the coin. Of course, these should be taken with a pinch of salt, given how quickly things change in the cryptocurrency industry, but they're a good indication of how seriously analysts are taking meme coins. Digital Coin Price, for example, expects Shib to continue its upward trajectory after 2025. According to its forecast, the Shib coin will get to 2,700 thousandths of a dollar in 7 years, representing a growth of 380%. Meanwhile, Coin Price Forecast has put out the most optimistic Shiba price prediction yet. According to the platform, Shib will continue climbing year on year. For 2030, Shiba could be trading at a potential year-end high of 2,736 millionths of a dollar, almost 4,650% higher than today's price. That's all for today. Also, we would like to mention that this is not a channel intended specifically to provide financial advice, and we do not ask you to invest in any company. This is merely a channel directed towards bringing educational content to your doorsteps. With that in mind, before you invest in anything, we recommend you do thorough, wide-spectrum research on the topic. We hope you liked this video. Let us know in the comments below if you're a Shiba holder, and make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time at Shiba Inu Coin. Bye!